Okay, all your friends are in the bus. Now come on, Henry Hannah. Get in the bus before...
Skateboarder criminals! They're onto us. Seize it.
Oh, crud. They found us out. Come on, kids. Get in the bus. Go, 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 go! Okay, Deborah Gymnast just got her headshots back. Now come on, guys. Let's go. Wait a sec. How do I drive this thing? Okay, guys. Incoming! Shield power!
Open your mouth!
Oh, crud, guys. They're gaining on us. Quick! Hey! Come on, come on, come on. Whoa!
Not tonight, boys!
And just a suggestion, but all those in favor of not hitting dead walls, say aye. Mother!
Not when I shift into maximum overdrive!
A fate worse than death. The kiddie ride.
At least we're
Begs to differ!
Well, I guess we're all safe from the villains, am I right? But they're trying to kill the kids! What should we do? Relax, guys. You're worrying about too much about Henry and Hannah. It's perfectly fine, and we should, guys, do you have any seatbelts? Cause we're about to go to... Whoa! Are we on a pirate ship? And a giant robot?
You spoiled my plans for the last time! You soiled your pants for the last time? Now for the unkindest possible!
Don't put the radiation into Maggie!
Boy, they grew up so fast!
Shut the hard to this!
Whoa! Are we in a different city? Hey, look! It's Maggie Simpson! Up on the top! There's the portal! Brace yourselves!
Throw it out the window! Throw it out! Throw it out! But innocent people could be hurt. Throw it out the window! It'll send the wrong message to children.
In your face, Malcolm!
You know,
I never did like how this pier was slightly elevated.
Hi, man!
Gotcha.
Hey, I just got a good feeling in my stomach that we have the amazing car chase ever. I never had a real one before. I better go to the surface and transform into my human form now. Jennifer, are you okay? I am now.